Welcome to our educational video on content analysis. Today, we'll explore how this research method can help us understand the organizational structure of pharmaceutical companies. Content analysis is a powerful tool that allows us to analyze and interpret large amounts of data. It helps us uncover patterns and gain insights into various topics. When conducting content analysis, it's important to define your research question and select the appropriate data sources. This ensures accurate and meaningful results. In the context of pharmaceutical companies, content analysis can help us understand how their organizational structure impacts decision-making and overall performance. Let's take a closer look at some examples of content analysis applied to the organizational structure of pharmaceutical companies. By analyzing the content of annual reports, we can identify the key roles and responsibilities within a pharmaceutical company's hierarchy. Social media posts from pharmaceutical companies can provide insights into their communication strategies and how they engage with their audience. Through content analysis of job postings, we can understand the skills and qualifications required for different positions within pharmaceutical companies. Content analysis helps us uncover valuable insights that can inform decision-making and improve the organizational structure of pharmaceutical companies. Thank you for watching our video on content analysis and its application in conceptualizing the organizational structure of pharmaceutical companies. Dr. Philip Adu, a methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting, has curated this video.